Hello, today I'm gonna talk about semiconductor. Semiconductor is material that has value between conductor and insulator. Properties of semiconductor between conductor and insulator. Conductor properties. When temperature is high, resistivity low, it can conduct electricity. Insulator. When temperature low, resistivity high, it cannot conduct electricity. Semiconductor. When temperature is high, electric pass through. When temperature is low, there are no electricity. Example of semiconductor, which is silicon and germanium. There are 4 semiconductor components: transistor, diode, resistor, and capacitor.
Hello, today I want to talk about S.C.R. S.C.R is Silicon Controlled Rectifier. 4-layer solid-state current controlling device. It used in electronic device that requires high voltage and power. Form 2 structure NPNP or pnpn. They have T junction label as J1, J2 and J3. 3 terminal as anode, cathode and gate. Okay, this is anode. It's connect to P types, and cathode connect to N types, and gate connects to P types. Okay, this is okay. S.C.R is unidirectional current controlling device. It allows electric current in one direction and block electric current in another direction. Made of 4 semiconductor layer of alternative P and N types. It used as an intrinsic semiconductor. Pentavalent in practice added. N-type as semiconductor is formed. Trivalent in practice added. P-type semiconductor is formed.
Now I will be explaining the 3 types of operation mode for S.C.R. The first operation mode is forward blocking mode in bracket of state. In this mode, anode is positive, cathode is negative, and gate is an open circuit. There's 3 junction 1, 2 and 3. Junction 1 and 3 is forward bias, whereas junction 2 is reverse bias. Now, due to junction 2 becomes a reverse bias, width of depletion region increases, which acts as a wall between junction 1 and 3, and as a result, majority of current does not flow properly. S.C.R in this mode is considered as off-state. The reason why S.C.R is considered as off-state because S.C.R reaches a breakdown value, and when it reaches a breakdown value it offers a high resistance, and the lower the breakdown value, the higher the resistance. As for the mode of operation, the reason why it is called forward blocking mode is because even though the S.C.R is a forward bias, there is no current flow. Now I will be explaining the second operation mode, which is forward conducting mode in bracket on state. In this mode, the circuit is still the same except for the gate terminal. At the gate terminal, a small amount of voltage is applied. I will explain the reason for this at the second case, but before that, let me tell you, in this mode, S.C.R can be made to conduct in 2 ways. The first way is by increasing the forward bias voltage applied between anode and cathode beyond the breakdown value. The second way is by applying positive voltage at the gate terminal. Now, in the first case, by increasing the amount of voltage at the forward bias between anode and cathode beyond the breakdown value, the minority carriers gain a large amount of energy and accelerate at a greater velocity, which then collides with other atoms and generates more charge carriers, which as a result, the depletion region breakdown occurs at junction 2, and the currents can start flowing again. As for the second case, small amount of positive voltage is applied to the gate terminal, which then becomes a forward bias. When the gate terminal becomes a forward bias, the depletion region width at junction 2 becomes narrow, which allow currents to flow through S.C.R by penetrating the narrow depletion region at junction 2. Finally, the reverse blocking mode in bracket on state. In this operation mode, anode is negative voltage, cathode is positive voltage, and gate is an open circuit. J1 and J3 becomes a reverse bias, whereas J2 becomes a forward bias. In this operation mode, there is no current flowings in the S.C.R. The reason is because J1 and J3 are reverse bias. Only a small amount of current flows in forward bias junction. This is due to the leakage from drift-off charge carriers. However, it is not enough to turn on S.C.R. So, those are the three operation mode of S.C.R. Thank you.